Welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I have 2015 Nissan Pathfinder XL. Okay. This is how you change the head. What's it called? The high beam lights, which is right here. That's what it is. So basically, there's a wire harness here. So basically, you do a counterclockwise. You take it out. All right. I'm gonna show you real quick right here. So this is the harness. So you just twist counterclockwise, just like that. There's three slots there, and then once you twist it, you just pull it out, just like that. Okay, and that is how you change it. You can see right there. And then there's you take this out, you press this, and you just pull it out, just like that. Pop out of the socket. Okay, that's how you change it. Just want to show you that. And when I put it back, you just press this here down, this button, like a switch, like. Okay, you press it, which is the thing open, and you throw it right in here, in a slot, just like that. Snap in, and there's a groove here, which you can put it back, just like that. Let me show you. Put it into the slot, and then you twist clockwise, just like that. Okay, now this is how you change the high beam light bulb on the passenger side. On the driver's side, probably most likely do the same thing. You just twist it counterclockwise. Press the button to pop it out, and then you put the new one back in. Thank you for watching Tech Time with T. Thank you. That is how you switch the light bulb for the high beam lights. Thank you.